A Wellsville family has been missing for about 5 days now, and possibly among them is Paul Ceglia, a fugitive from justice and wanted by the U.S. Marshals Service. We spoke with Ceglia's lawyer tonight, and here's the story. It's been 5 days since Paul Ceglia, his wife Asha, and their 2 sons have been off the grid. Paul, now a fugitive of the law, and his family reported as missing. Paul is accused of claiming a fraudulent ownership stake in Facebook back in 2010. By court order, Paul had a curfew and an ankle monitor. But when U.S. Marshals didn't hear from him, they went to his home in Wellsville on March 8th and discovered he was gone.
This is not like Paul Ceglia. This is not in his character. He's been gung-ho, full force. He's one of those clients that you've heard of that you seek an attorney to aid you in your defense. This person, I have to say that I'm aiding him in his defense.
Robert Fogg, Paul Ceglia's attorney, tells us all that's happening doesn't make any sense.
Call around his prior attorneys, try to contact his father and his mother, and no one seems to have a clue where Paul is.
The last time both men spoke was on March 3rd, 5 days before the family was noticed as missing. They were discussing the next step in Paul's court matters with Facebook creator Mark Zuckerberg.
Emails back and forth from the 3rd up into the 6th about what our next step was and how great this was.
According to the U.S. Marshals Service, a federal arrest warrant was issued after an investigation determined Paul removed his ankle bracelet and fled from his Wellsville home.
Say on the 10th, I received information that the electronic monitor was actually hanging from a stick on some motor that allows it to be charged on a timer and I guess simulates movement.
Fogg says a judge ordered Paul to physically appear in court on Tuesday, March 10th. When asked, Fogg told the judge he tried to reach out to his client but was unsuccessful. So when Paul missed his court date, he was not only in violation of his conditioned release, but was now in violation of a court order, bumping him up to fugitive status.
So now what he's faced with is losing his civil cases, his injunction, his civil suit completely, and still facing criminal charges, and still facing bail jumping charges. He's a bright man. He knows these things.
If you have any information on Paul Ceglia or his wife and children, please contact the U.S. Marshals Service.